So I'm gonna green goddess some lobster tails.
Oh,
Nice.
delicious.
Hey!
Oh.
Anybody order lobster tails?
Yes.
Why did I not expect? I thought he was just.
Oh, that's a good look.
Who paid him to get into that outfit?
How are you doing? Oh,
I definitely trust you as a fisherman.
oh, it's been a rough night on the boat.
Gosh.
This delivery is off the hook. Get it?
Oh, my God.
I bet those are
Thank
extra
you for letting me
expensive.
sit.
I'm sure they're very expensive considering the fishmonger or the fisherman right there.
gosh.
This is exactly what I needed. Thank you, GZ, for my green goddess grilled lobster tails. I'm also gonna make a quick green goddess rice to go with it. GZ,
my
you might
gosh.
actually leave when I make the rice because I don't know if you noticed the microwave is here.
Oh, yeah.
So, Katie, if you'll help me get started. Green
Yes.
goddess is a very herby vibe. So we've got some cilantro, some parsley, and some tarragon. Just chop them down for me. That's going to be part of the herbaceous vibe that's going to go
Great.
on my lobster, but I'm going to make a compound butter with them. I'm going to add to my bowl some chives and some dill into the compound butter. I'm going to add in some red chili flake, some garlic, and then I'm going to gently scrape off of my cutting board this paprika that GZ accidentally knocked over when he was
Wow,
delivering.
you're in character. You're like the, yeah, you're just very,
In the bowl.
You're a better actor than I thought you were gonna be.
I mean, I kind of think like his Worcester, Massachusetts, like if he hadn't become GZ, he may have become
This
a
would have been you,
fisherman.
buddy.
Maybe.
But
I mean,
God
you used
doing
to be a
God's work.
fishmonger, Katie.
Yeah.
So,
Katie
you
used
know,
to be a fishmonger, believe it or not.
judge him.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these lobster tails, these are about 8 to 10 ounces. What I like to do is kind of make it easy, and I go in and I cut them in half.
You can buy the whole lobster, too.
You can. So then I'm getting a moistened skewer. You soak them maybe about an hour before you're going to grill so that they don't burn on the grill, and then just straight through.
It's a good way to not only get good surface area on the grill too, but also kind of extend the life of
Yeah.
the lobster tail,
want me to
which is
start
a
mashing
premium
this?
product.
not
Premium
yet.
product.
No, okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to use half of this herby blend. Remember, this is just the cilantro, dill, tarragon, parsley, and that's going to be half of it goes into our butter, and then I'm going to use the other half for, if you don't mind mixing that together
Yeah.
for me,
How could that not
for
be good?
our lobster. So the lobster's going to go onto the grill.
And what's great about lobster on the grill, it works, unlike meat on the grill, because the meat drips all that beautiful fat depth.
Yeah.
And but
Exactly.
the lobster doesn't have that, so it actually is a
At
great
all.
way to cook it.
And realize when you cut it like this, you're going to kind of get two meat sides, if you will.
Yeah.
All right, so it's going to be a little bit of flippage going
You
on.
could call that a lobster fillet, couldn't you?
You could.
Oh.
And I like throwing the skewer in it. It kind of keeps it straight and rigid for you.
Should I add any salt?
No, I already salted
okay.
it. Yeah.
All right,
So
there you go.
This is going to go in the refrigerator. And you can just refrigerate it for about, I don't know, at least an hour.
But we are eating good today.
Right?
Yeah.
Best day ever.
All right, so while this
Do it all.
is grilling up, I'm going to show you the rice. GZ, look away. 90 seconds in the microwave. all
Flavor,
right?
dude.
They have
at
all
Jeffrey.
kinds of flavors. This is cilantro lime.
Oh,
Yeah, and
Look at that.
so
You're
you
gonna
just
love that.
zap
I
it.
love that.
I actually should have just served it to you without you seeing that it was
Yeah.
microwaved and see what you thought about it, right?
you wouldn't have known.
Yeah,
I mean,
don't
it
think
is,
so.
it is, they do have great stuff in it.
Yeah, right
There's some
in
great frozen stuff in it. I
that
gotta
same
admit.
herb blend.
Wow, I cannot
What
wait.
happened to you?
That looks
Make
great.
fun
You
of me
never know
later.
the difference.
Yeah, it's literally 90 seconds.
I mean, rice was a staple in my house. Every single day, we would eat rice.
Yeah. All right, so just kind of like a steak or a burger, when you're putting your lobster on the grill and you're doing flesh side down, don't flip it till it lets you flip it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna release itself. And then, look at that.
Oh,
Beautiful color, you know?
Glad
So
I caught
pretty.
those for you.
Yeah, you got to. GZ, I mean, seriously.
I mean,
Was
Steve,
that
was that-
cashmere even? I
know,
can't
I think
believe.
so.
No, it was hard having
Vicuña?
plastic
Give
on my
that some
body.
more time.
It was only a few minutes.
Those are so pretty, Sonny. Those
then I
just
just
look
kinda-
like vacation to me.
right? Smells like vacation.
It's like a St. Bart's lobster.
Just kind of come in and
Oh yeah, let it. let it just do its thing.
Yeah, just let it
Lobster
relax.
just needs butter. It
Oh,
needs
if you're
it.
If I were at home,
Oh.
I'd be doing this with my hands, you know?
Oh, so much for that dinner date invite. Can't make it, sorry.
I'm coming, but I'm eating first.
Get it on there. Look at me, I'm just slop it on.
Oh, this is.
Well, any that melts off is then gonna go down on the bottom of the
yeah.
pan.
I
and just
love it.
Baste. It's like self-basting.
Brushing and basting, brushing and basting.
Yeah.
It's a steamy situation.
I always tell people when you cook lobster, undercook it.
Yeah,
when it
it's gonna,
sits,
it's gonna continue.
It's so fast carryover cooking because there's no fat.
I always just look at the tapered tail end. At the very end, instead of lemon.
Oh, I like
This is
this. I'm doing
controversial,
this.
but also
I am
awesome.
so doing this
Yeah?
summer.
Yeah.
Orange wedges. Cheesy.
You could throw them on the grill too. if
Yeah, you
wanted
sure could,
little
yeah.
curb
I just
appeal.
didn't have a lot of real estate here, but definitely orange halves would be great. And then there you have it.
That is
God.
My
gorgeous.
green goddess
Beautiful.
lobster tails.
Can I have a
Gorgeous.
fork and a knife?
Yes, you may, Jeezy.
Green goddess.
Mine. This is
Oh,
yours.
what is this? Is that mine?
Oh.
Broski.
Hold on, Jeezy. I want to give you some of this microwaved rice.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some of that.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, oh, more.
Green goddess rice as
Yeah.
well.
Little green goddess
Yeah, cook
rice.
it up.
Might as well. You got the herbs out.
Can I take out the
Yes.
sword?
Yes, please do. I like kind of
Leave it.
serving it like that because
I'll
you
leave
can,
it. I'll leave it.
you know, people can pick it up and walk away
Oh, it's
with it.
perfectly cooked.
Look at that. Perfect.
Perfectly cooked.
Yes, of course.
So pretty, Sunny.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
You.
Yeah?
You're good.
Yeah?
You're really good.
How about that orange, bro?
Let me tell you.
Feeling the orange?
I'm
Can
a
you taste
Maine
the
lobster
orange?
guy. I'm a Maine lobster guy. This is not a Maine lobster. It is cooked perfectly. It is delicious.
Thank
It's
you.
very hard to cook a lobster. Everyone overcooks them.
Yeah, especially
Perfect.
with people watching.
The flavor, that dill vinaigrette, it's so delicious.